how to hide likes on Instagram for a specific post. So welcome to this video. I'll teach you exactly how to do it. So we want to go to our profile right here by pressing on the right bottom corner. Here I only have one post, which I have also pinned. So I'm just going to use it as an example. We want to press on the post which we want to hide the likes for. So after we're taken to the post, we want to click on the three dots right above it on the right. And here, as you can see, we can either hide the like count or turn off commenting. For this tutorial, I'm just going to hide the like count. And now if this post had any likes, it would show as liked by one person and then others, but it will not show you the exact like number and amount you have on your post. So if this video helped you out, leave a like and sub. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.